one reason that is stopping you from losing weight, I think I know what it is. I think it's confusion about what we eat and what types of foods should we put in our mouth. It's pretty simple. Look back at our younger body, our younger self. So in my 20s, my 30s, and even my 40s, I cannot eat those things that I ate back then. You know, when we were clubbing and hanging out, maybe back in college, for myself in the Air Force, we did a lot of running all the time. We did a lot of exercise daily. We also were shooting weapons. So there was a lot of calorie burning there. Then you can eat exactly what you wanted at that time, right? The greasy pizzas, lots of cheeseburgers, because I know that's what I ate. Also, you know, just mounds and mounds of like chili fries. You remember the good old days? Yeah, I do too. So I know that now over in my 50s, there's no way that I could eat like that. Yes, every now and then you have a little bonus day where you will have some pizza or a burger. It doesn't have to be miserable just because we're older now. We have different hormones, and hormones are acting up. Us ladies may be going through menopause, so the hormones are wreaking havoc. There's just hormone changes when we age. You have to adjust your meal plan to what will fit to your body. It doesn't have to be a specific diet that we've all tried, you know, the fad diets, and I did that in my 30s especially. And I took the diet pills. You can't do these things anymore because it just wrecked my metabolism. We don't know how to eat in moderation for our pleasure foods, you know, because the pleasure foods are so good and they have so much chemicals in it that it wires our brain in a way that it's a long road to breaking that mindset of wanting to eat a bunch of junk food. This is why we fast. We fast to break those cravings like sugar and also the bad carbs like processed food. You know what I'm saying, because there are good carbs that we can eat, just like the plant-based diet that I have added into my current meal plan, and that is making a total game changer for me. So you have to think about it. It is possible to change directions in what we're doing daily. You can change what you're going to eat the next day. Tomorrow, ask yourself to try something new that you could add into your diet that is definitely clean eating, whole food based, and foods that you know that your body will appreciate in a longevity, and you will lose weight if you continue to keep those kind of additions going consistently. So consistency is the key. So ask yourself, what is your value? And move on it. That's the current reality. What is my value, and how am I going to take care of this temple? Because you deserve the highest quality of nourishment that you can find in a grocery store, a farmer's market, or growing it in your backyard. So always keep searching for the perfect bite and balance. Cheers.